All right, so today we're looking at this practice activity in code.org, lesson 3, drawing and game lab. It's the very first one. It's just debugging and you have to fix a car. So right now what's going on with the code, we'll just go through this real quick actually. It says read the code that makes the car, rearrange the code so that the wheels are visible. You do not need to add any new blocks, only rearrange the ones that are already in the code space. Well, if you look down here, we have fill, and we're going to do this dim gray color with 2 ellipses, so those clearly are probably the tires or the wheels. And then you have the fill red, which are these rectangular shapes at different locations. If we run it, we can see that the wheels are covered up. So this is really a pretty simple thing with code. We just have these out of order. You know, what happens when we program things is they happen in a certain order. So we have, it's going to fill dim gray and it's going to fill these 2 ellipses. So these are placed on the screen first. And then we're going to place these shapes, and those are going to be placed on after the ellipses. And this is why you have these covered up. So what we really need to do, pretty simple and straightforward, is we just need to move these to the bottom. So that way it's going to print or create the red rectangles first here, and then it will create the wheels, because what we want the wheels is to show up over top of the red. So it's really just a simple thing of the code is just a little bit out of order. So if we move the dim gray and then the ellipses underneath that, we should get the wheels over top. Okay, so really it's just got to take the code and kind of move it so that you have the car showing up first, or the red being placed on the screen, and then the wheels. Okay, all right, hopefully this helps you with your coding, and good luck.